Source's technologies would take quality inspection to the next level with AI-based automated sorting services. Our customers send their part to us, and our vision-based sorting system ensures defect-free products are sent back to them.
Manual inspection is slow, inconsistent, and costly. Defects like misalignment, surface damage, burrs are hard to be detected by human eyes. Our RT series inspection machine is designed for high-speed, high-accuracy optical sorting. It performs geometry inspection, such as checking dimensions and missing features, surface defect detection like burrs, scratches, chips, and plating defects, 360 thread inspection for ensuring thread integrity inside and out.
That's why automation is the future. With our AI-powered vision system, we detect the smallest defect with unmatched precision and speed.
This means faster turnaround, certified zero-defect parts, and no production delays for our customers.
If you need 100% reliable quality control, let us handle it.
Reach out today at sources.ca to learn how we can improve your quality assurance with AI-powered inspection.